Yes, ma'am. I did some work on Mike's place, your neighbor, and across the street. I do pressure washing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm actually doing something crazy. I'm
Uh-huh.
doing 2 free pressure washing jobs this week.
Uh-huh.
And I'd love to help you out. I noticed your driveway and your side driveway and entryway could really use it. It's absolutely free. No catch at all.
Why is it free?
I make YouTube content. It's to help with brand awareness.
That'd be great. That would help me out a lot.
Hey everyone, Baron here with Jungle Nation Pressure Washing and Roof Cleaning. Imagine if someone came up to you and offered you a blessing. Well, that's exactly what I did when I found this house. It had 2 driveways and an entryway with edges that haven't been seen for years. There were layers upon layers of grass and leaves taking over everywhere. When I took a look at this house, I can't help but think that these people need a blessing. So I knocked at the door on 3 separate occasions until finally someone answered. I told the homeowner I cleaned it all up for free, and her reaction was awesome. Then I went straight to work. Starting out with the landscaping, I had to cut back all of the grass overtaking the concrete just to figure out where the edges were. After I filled up 6 big bags of grass and leaves, I was able to start the magic with the pressure washing rig. I moved right into a pre-treat soak with my SH and soap. I let the chemical work its magic for a while on this one. Like always, I went around all of the edges with the turbo nozzle and came back through with my surface cleaner. The surface cleaner made quick work of the rest. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It's the best way to support the work I do. And once you're finished watching this video, watch another one. That helps me out too.
Hey, Bonnie.
Hey.
How are you? You can see your driveway now.
I know. Look at that. Looks awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Looks good.
Yeah, it did
Very
come out
good.
amazing.
Yeah.
It was
So
a
much
really good cleaning.
cleaner.
Yeah. So, what did you think about it being free?
I mean, it was like, any way to help anybody to promote their business, I'm all for.
Cool.
And so,
Cool.
you know, that was wonderful. Yeah, you made
Yeah.
the fence nice and clean.
Yeah, I did. I got the fence
It's
too.
like shiny now.
I know.
It's
So
like-
it'll all stay that way for a while. You see this little white stuff?
Yeah.
That's the magic. That's the magic happening right now.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is it looks so much nicer because I like nice things.
Yeah,
so
don't we all?
I was hoping
Yeah.
to have my yard look good again. So thank you.
You're welcome. Well, Merry
Gave me
Christmas.
a nice Christmas present.
Yeah.
You did.
Yeah. So do you have a lawnmower? I was gonna come back with mine and knock it all down for you when I'm in the neighborhood next week. I'll be here Tuesday doing hers, and if it's not done by then, I'll bring my stuff and whip it out for you.
All right. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
cool.
I mean, I just
Yeah.
really appreciate this. Is a big Christmas gift. to
Yeah,
me.
cool.
It is.
Well, I'm glad I could help you that way. Awesome.
Oh, it's so awesome.
Yeah.